again, this particular point, whether the statutory bonus can be paid on monthly basis, I think this practice is there. I specifically brought in here. See, the idea of the Payment of Bonus Act is not this. It is only the annual payment, right? So after the end of the accounting year, based on the profits earned by the company, the rate of bonus is to be determined. Of course, the rate could vary between 8.33 and 20. We know 8.33% is the minimum and 20% is the maximum, which is allowed under the Act. So after finalizing the accounts, after the end of the accounting year, the company has to decide the rate, then declare the year-end bonus. That is the idea. And in case if the management has the practice of making some customary payment, right, or the festival advance, puja bonus, something like that, then Section 17 of the Act gives powers to the employer to adjust that amount from the year-end bonus amount. I think that is the only exception. Otherwise, it should be paid only after the end of the accounting year. But the practice is totally different now. Many of the companies, they include it in the CTC and they are making the payment on monthly basis, right? So my suggestion would be, even if you want to continue that practice for some reason, I think you may have to adopt a very clear procedure so that you don't get into any legal entanglement on a later date, right? So if you are showing it in the wage register, or if you are showing it in any of the authorized records of the company which you are maintaining, and if you are making the payment on monthly basis, then I think that will be treated as bonus, which will again be a part of regular monthly wages. That may not be treated as statutory bonus. It is possible, right? So if the individual employee claims on a later date, maybe the employer concerned may end up with making the payment for the second time. That is possible. But fortunately, so far there is no precedent. I think no authorities have also questioned that. But let us again understand, this may not be the right procedure, but let us be very clear. Even if we want to continue that payment on monthly basis, then we may have to adopt a clear procedure, right? So let us not show it in any of the records which we are maintaining, including the wage register or the wage slip or any other records maintained by the finance team, right? So we can keep a separate record whereby I think every month against that person, let us make a payment on a monthly basis, and finally after arriving at the final year-end bonus, we will adjust against that. Something like that we may have to do, right?